Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most heavy-duty carpet cleaners you can actually use at home, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaning Machine, and this one comes in the pet bundle. If you've been wanting professional-grade cleaning without paying rental fees or calling a cleaning service, this machine is built for deep, powerful carpet restoration. Rug Doctor has long been known for commercial cleaning performance, and the Pro Deep version brings that same industrial strength into a portable, easy-use machine. It's designed to pull out embedded dirt, long-term stains, pet messes, and odors from deep within carpet fibers, the stuff regular cleaners can't reach. The powerful suction extracts more water than many competing machines, which helps carpets dry faster and reduces residue left behind. What makes this pet bundle special is the included cleaning solutions. You get a 48 ounces bottle of Pro Pet Cleaning Solution formulated specifically to break down pet stains, organic spills, and lingering odors, and a 22 ounces bottle of Pro Urine Eliminator Spray for pre-treating problem areas before cleaning. This combination works extremely well for households with dogs, cats, or multiple pets. The machine itself uses a dual cross-action brush system that scrubs fibers from multiple angles, ensuring a deeper clean. The large tank capacity means fewer trips to refill, which is especially helpful if you are cleaning several rooms or dealing with older carpets. Even though it's commercial grade, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep is surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to its sturdy wheels and balanced handle design. Whether you're dealing with long-term pet damage, heavy foot traffic, kid spills, or seasonal deep cleaning, this machine gives you the same results you'd expect from renting a professional unit. With the added ability to use it anytime you want, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep becomes a long-term investment for cleaner, fresher carpets. If you're ready for true deep cleaning power, check out the Amazon link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily tech and cleaning gear reviews here on Gadgetverse.